In this quick video, we are going to see how you can create a broadcast list in WhatsApp. So this is an amazing feature of WhatsApp that you can create a broadcast list and add all the members up to 256 members in a single broadcast list. And the purpose of this is you can send message to all of your contacts list with just a single message, and it will be delivered to each user individually. Now, how you can create the broadcast list and for what purpose are it used? Let's see. So right now I'm on WhatsApp Personal. You can use WhatsApp Business in the same way. On these three dots, I'll click on New Broadcast List, which is just below the new group. So click on that. As I said, you can add members up to 256. So let's add some members. Click tick. And your broadcast list is created. Now, after it is created, you can change the name from 5 recipients to whatever name you want. Just click on this, click on 3 dots and click on change broadcast list name. Here you can easily change that. If you want to add further members to your broadcast list, you can click here and click on add recipient. Now, for testing purpose, I will enter my own number in the broadcast list, and here is my broadcast list created. Now the purpose of this broadcast list is, let's say you have an occasion. For example, you want to invite all of your contacts to a birthday party, to a function, or you want to send messages for Diwali or Eid or Christmas. Whatever it is, you can type in the message, and as soon as you write your message and hit enter, it will be delivered to all of your contacts, provided that they have your contact saved in their list. If they don't have your contact, WhatsApp will not broadcast them the message, and that is to prevent unwanted messages sent by the users. So let's see how the message will look like when it is delivered to the person. This is the message I received, and it says, "How are you?" Now, if you notice, it doesn't say anything about broadcast, and you won't even know that this message was sent from the broadcast feature. So this is perfect for sending the payment reminder, Eid wishes, Diwali, Christmas, or birthday party invitations, or any message that you want WhatsApp to be delivered individually to each user. So that way it is completely different from WhatsApp groups. Some of the people confuse this WhatsApp broadcast list feature with WhatsApp group. But WhatsApp group is a simple group that is created with all the members mentioned here. And whatever message is sent in the group, they can be seen by all group members, and it clearly means that this message is for all the group. But if you want to say, let's say an invite, you cannot send it in a group, right? It is more appropriate to send the invitation to each person individually. So this feature is perfect for that. That's it, guys. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.